Do you want Mommy to get you a snacky poo? Okay, but Mommy just got out of the shower and we're not having any more conversations about Biden. I know you think he's a great president, but only... Sweetheart, honey... Okay, yes, you voted in the 2020 election, but it's not really supposed to count. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. Dead people counted. Yeah, if dead people counted, cats can count too, right? You think he's the greatest president in modern U.S. history? What? How are you even defending that? Can I just say, Saigon, wash, rinse, repeat, Afghanistan, and holy F Ukraine. You, buddy. No, that is not a valid argument. Remember, Obama said never underestimate Joe's ability to F things up regarding current affairs. What do you think, Will? Okay, you just like him because you're going to be able to vote in 2022 and 2024 because you don't need an ID anymore. Because it's racist. No, it is racist. It's racist against cats? Okay. Well, I guess if you can identify as a freaking unicorn and... I'm not making fun of you. I'm not. There are people that do that and do pony play, Sweet Pea. You know? Okay, yeah, I shouldn't be telling a 14-week-old kitten about that stuff. Okay, no more MSNBC or Fox News for you, okay? Only fake news, CNN, okay? Yeah? Okay, William. Love you.